First, let's find and copy a website link on an Android device. Open the Google app on your mobile device and search for the website you want to copy. Once you've found and opened the website, press the Share button at the top of the screen and then select Copy Link to copy the website's URL to your clipboard. Alternatively, you can simply long press the link area at the top to copy it directly. Next, let's do it on an iOS device. Open the Safari app and search for the website you want to link. After opening the website, hold the link area at the bottom of the screen and press Copy Link to copy the website's URL to your clipboard. Finally, let's find and copy a website link on a desktop device. Use your web browser to search for the website on Google. Once you've opened the website, click and drag your mouse over the link in the address bar to highlight it. Then right-click and select Copy to copy the website's URL to your clipboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching.